Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials, how to link layers. I will create new file and click create. For example, I will draw a rectangle and it be automatically create for the new layer. We create again another object like ellipse, that in here, and you can set the color into red. Now, if you want to link between these two layers, you can select these two layers. After it, click at this icon, link, and that's it. It will be automatically link between these two layers. If you resize, it will be automatically resize these two objects like this. You can see. To unlink, you can click again at these points. Okay, it will be automatically unlink the layer. You can click again at this point. And then to link again, you can select these two layers. Click at this option to link the layer. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to link layers. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.